Garpa चिडियाघरमा जान्छ, which means Garpa goes to the zoo in Nepal.
Garpa चिडियाघरमा छ.
Garpa goes to the zoo.
कर्पले चिडियाघरमा बाँदरहरू देख्छ.
Garpa sees monkeys at the zoo.
बाँदरहरूले कर्पलाई उ उ आ आ भन्छन्.
The monkeys say to Garpa, ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
कर्पले चिडियाघरमा बाघहरू देख्छ.
Garpa sees tigers at the zoo too.
बाघ कराउँदा कर्प त डराएर भाग्छ.
The tigers scare away Garpa and he runs away.
कर्प भागेर कता पुग्यो होला?
Where's Garpa now?
कर्प त कतै देखिँदैन.
I don't see him anywhere.
जिराफतिर छ कि?
Is he near the giraffe?
छैन.
He's not there.
क्याङ्गुरुनिर छ कि?
Is he near the kangaroo?
छैन.
He's not there.
गैँडानिर छ कि?
Is he near the rhinos?
छैन.
He's not there either.
माछा घरनिर छ कि?
Is he near the aquarium?
छैन.
No, he's not.
सर्प घरनिर छ कि?
Is he at the reptile area?
छ.
Yes, he's there.
कर्प त चिडियाघरमा सबैतिर घुमेछ.
Garpa has been everywhere at the zoo.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Thank you.